Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation today, created and structured by Dmajio. AI isn't here to steal your job. Please relax. It came to cancel that stress, delete that creative block, and finally let you sleep before 3 a.m. Because we all know designers don't sleep. We export. Sglide. Think of AI like that intern who never gets tired, never complains, and somehow knows exactly what you mean when you say, I want it to feel like bold elegance, but also quiet fire with a touch of rich, minimal drama. AI's like, say less. Speed plus quality. What used to take 5 hours, 3 coffees, and 8 emotional breakdowns now takes minutes. Variations? Unlimited. Versions? Infinite. Excuses? Deleted. Slide in visual design. Need 10 logo concepts? AI's already done 40. Need a color palette? AI matched your vibe, your mood, your star sign, and your last heartbreak. Slide. Animation? AI can turn your sketch into a cute little Lottie file before you finish saying After Effects is crashing again. UI design? AI is like, here's your layout, I fix the spacing, improve the contrast, and yes, everything is aligned. It's creativity amplified. AI isn't replacing creativity. It's basically your superpower. You bring the soul. AI brings the speed. Together, you create magic with extra sparkle. Outwarm. So here's the truth. AI won't take your job. But someone using AI? Oh, they'll definitely take your clients. So go on, design boldly, create fearlessly, and let AI upgrade your artistry. See you in the future. Actually, welcome to it.